there, it's day 3 of ELA Skills practice. So that means I have my fluency passage with me. I've got my spelling sort that is cut up and in a baggie. And I've got my word skills practice book with me. For my spelling sort, first I'm going to sort them out on the floor. And then you're going to do your practice spelling of those today. You can choose watercolor words, block letters, fancy writing, pyramid writing, all the things that we've done before to practice spelling our words. And then on your fluency passage, today is the day that first you whisper read it, and then you can practice reading the word list on the back. It could also be fun. There's so many words on this one. That's a lot of words. But you could choose 12 or 15 of these and write them on a piece of paper and then cut it up, turn them over, and flip them. See if you can read it. If you can read it the first time, keep it. If you have trouble reading it the first time, ask for help reading it and then turn it back over. And keep flipping cards and reading them until you've read them all in a snap. So that is one way that you could practice your word list today. Today we're going to do this together. We're on page 69. There is a very lazy looking cat laying out on a rug. His name is Snappy Cat Jack. Okay, so this is Snappy Cat Jack, and this is a proofreading passage. So that means we're editing it as we read it. So we are looking for mistakes. And in the instructions, it tells us there are 8 mistakes. So I'm going to read the whole thing, and then we're going to use what we know about how words are spelled, about oddball words or homophone words, and we're going to see if we can be detectives who find all 8 mistakes. You might want to pause the video after I read the whole thing and see if you can find any of them on your own without me. Okay, so first I'm going to read it, and you should have it in front of you. As if you need to pause and go get your book to put your finger underneath each word as I read it, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, here I go. Snappy Cat Jack has 4 dogs. He would like to have 5. His mother said, "That's too many dogs. They will make a mess. You cannot take care of 5 dogs." What did Jack say next? Okay. All the mistakes that are in here are things that we have learned. So I'm going to see if on your own, I want you to see how many of these you could find. So I'll let you know in the very first sentence, there is one. There's a mistake. Snappy Cat Jack has 4 dogs. I'll give you a clue. The mistake in that one is a homophone. So it's a word that sounds correct, but it's not using the correct spelling of it. Snappy Cat Jack has 4 dogs. So it's the word 4. That means he has something for the dogs. That does not mean the number. So the number spelling of that is F-O-U-R. Snappy Cat Jack has 4 dogs. That's how you spell the number. I'm going to read the next sentence to you. He would like to have 5. Okay, he would like to have 5. There's an oddball word that is supposed to have a magic E at the end that's not working. So the magic E is not doing its job in this word. The word have. He would like to have 5. So have is a word that doesn't play fair. We've talked about that one. It sounds like a short A, even though there's an E on the end. It looks like it should be the word have, but it's not. He would like to have 5. All right, we're going to read the next one. His mother said, "That's too many dogs. Okay, there's a mistake in the very first word. His mother. That says his mother. So we're going to keep the capital H because it starts a sentence. We're going to change that E to an I. It's not his mother, it's his mother. His mother said, that's too many dogs. This one might be a little tricky. I'm wondering if I read it like this, if you would find the mistake. His mother said, that is too many dogs. That is turning into that's would need an apostrophe where the I were used to be from is. So actually on that one, I'm going to circle it and I'm going to add the apostrophe and show it to you. That's too many dogs means that is. That means that is. See where I put the apostrophe? Okay, let's move to the next sentence. They will make a mess. They will make a mess. I remember when we learned that there is no A in they. So it's the word they. Now I want you to try on your own. How would it be spelled correctly? It's not T-H-A-Y. And I'm going to keep the capital because it starts a sentence. They, T-H-E-Y, will make a mess. Okay, so here's the end of that sentence. Here's the next one. You cannot take care of 5 dogs. 2 mistakes there. What's wrong with this? Y-O-U spells you. But what is the mistake that was made? I'm going to do it. Okay. I changed it to a capital. Think about why. Said they will make a mess, period. You cannot take care of 5 dogs. You started a sentence. Oh my goodness, of. We have talked a lot about the word of. It sounds like UV, but it's not at all. It's not even close to that. Try to write of on your own. O-F, of is O-F. The last one in here is a little tricky. What did Jack say next? Can you find the mistake there? It has a capital. It has a question mark, so it has an end mark. It has spaces. What is spelled correctly? Did is spelled correctly. What did Jack say next? Let's see. I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to see if you can find the change that I made. Why did I make it? I gave it a capital because that is a name. So names of people and places always get a capital. So here are all the edits, and here are all the correct answers.